Hello. Today, this is a Roto hog shredder. It's I don't know what year it is. It's got an 8 horsepower Tecumseh engine. Just cleaned the carburetor up. It was a little governor was sticking. It runs alright, but it's a vibrator. So, I'm going to start it. It's pretty old. This is how you start the chipper. This is disengaged. This is engaged. That's disengaged. And so it's for the big logs, and then this is for the little brush. And here I go. Hopefully it'll start for you today. Put this on a stand. Now, it might not run super good, but it runs. Here I go. It's already got gas and oil, so that's good. Put it on. Full choke. Full throttle. And here we go. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.